Okay, so I'm going to do a tool review on the Ridgid compact orbital reciprocating saw and the one-handed orbital reciprocating saw. These are both brand new, picked them up today. I thought it would be neat to do a side-by-side comparison. I needed to replace my full-size Sawzall, and I thought for the price that it was, I could afford to go ahead and get the compact as well for tight spots. I'm going to review the specifications first and then unbox them and compare them side by side. So let me do the specifications now. Size, it has a 10 amp motor. It has 0 to 3,500 strokes per minute, and that's the no load speed. Stroke length of 3/4 inch, and it weighs 7 pounds. So in comparison, this one has a 6 amp motor, so it's a 6 amp where this is a 10 amp. The strokes per minute has the same strokes, 0 to 3,500 per minute, no load. The stroke length is 1/2 inch. This one is 3/4, so not a big difference there. And the weight is 4.4 pounds compared to the 7 pounds of the full size. So that's a comparison on the specs. Now we'll unbox and see how they compare. Okay, so here they are right out of the box. They both have a nice little carry case. And I do like that. Storing my tools in a trailer even. This is going to help keep dust and debris and stuff out of them when they're not in use. So we'll take them out of the case and see what we have. Start with the little one here. Okay, so there's a blade. Got that. Of course, all of our paperwork. I know I've said this before on other Ridgid tools where I've done reviews, but make sure you register your Ridgid tools. Take advantage of that lifetime warranty. So, alright. Pretty nice. Very compact. So some things that I notice right off the bat. It's got dual LED lights right up front. It's got a really easy blade release. Actually, there's a third LED. So here's your orbital function on and off. So that's pretty nice. It is very lightweight, but it's definitely beefy. I mean, you can always tell with these Ridgid tools that they're built well, and they just, you know, they feel like there's some substance there to the tool. So there's the little one, and okay, so there's the big one. Paperwork. Looks like we got several blades here. Alright, that's a nice little assortment of blades. There's 2 wood blades, 2 metal blades, and this one is wood and plastic. So, you know, nothing fancy, but some more blades to add to my blade collection. There's our Sawzall. Again, it's got the rotating collar. Let's take the blade in and out. So really nice. Don't see any LEDs on this one. Right here is the latch where you can adjust your foot in and out and lock it back in place. Got your orbital function on and off. It's just orbital or straight on this. So there you can see the size difference. They both have the same size blade in them, but you can tell the difference in the compactness and also the way you grip. So this one, you're going to grip it like this to use it. So it gives you some different options on how it works versus, you know, the good old two-hand, which, you know, of course this is going to be the go-to for the heavier stuff. This is going to be the tight spaces, you know, the smaller cuts. Although with that size motor, what was that, a 6 amp? Yeah, so with a 6 amp motor, you're still going to be able to get a lot of work done with that. You could probably even put the long blade in it and reach back into spaces that you're not going to be able to fit this into. So width-wise, looking at them, there's a little bit, probably an inch difference in the width or the thickness of the two units. And then just, of course, overall size, literally fit that one inside of the larger saw. So anyway, that's a pretty simple review, but as always, I'll take these out and give them a good workout, and I'll put in the comments my my review after I've used them as far as function and how well they perform. And thanks for watching.